Guys, it's Papa's birthday today and we're here sa Pampanga. Hi!
小小的人爱呀，爱到眼亮点亮，心随波荡漾，只要走进你四季都为你点亮。Baby， 我说到就做到，别再逃跑，那些不能见面的日夜有够煎熬。小小的人快要只剩全套。
Ate, authentic, Korean. Tikman ko muna. Sabi ni ate masarap. So, I'll try. Ang sarap. Sarap. Kala ko yung nakakainan ko masarap na. Sarap pa dito. Sarap. Tapos guys, we're trying the squid. Ate, ano yung order mo?
I can see
Dito.
you.
Ito, try natin. Ang fresh ng lasa. Guys, ito yung short ribs na napapanood lang natin sa TV. Yung pinakuluan ate yung short ribs na to for 48 hours. Ay, for 48 days sa lambot. Kasi tignan mo, ate, try natin. Try ni ate. Tapos yung lasa niya, mukhang napakasarap. Sige, taste test. Sarap, diba?
到永远岁岁年年不杂也为我留了一扇门打开 Let's one more time say 终结才是明白要主动追 Yeah 朦胧北方的花蕾小班课表还很慢下课找你作伴时间